Hey, we're here at Cousins RV, Colorado Springs, looking at Grand Design. We went through a lot of them. We're at this 2450 RL, which is rear lounge, and we were just kind of wondering if we didn't get our 2150 RB, what would be our second choice. We really like this one for a lot of reasons. I've always liked a big picture window out the back because your view is always out the back, the lake, the mountains, or whatever. So big picture window out the back is always high on my wants in a travel trailer. We have the reclining lounge here. This one has a dinette also, so you get a reclining lounge and a dinette. That also makes into a bed. Really nice. This if I wouldn't have picked the one I got, the 2150 RV, I may have got this one. Over here, we have a lot extra countertop space here. Like if you're prepping food, you can store stuff here. There's a lot of counter here also. Of course, the drawers. Very nice. Storage above the microwave. You got a lot of windows. This is what I like, a lot of windows. This is a pretty good plan. I'll show you. This seems like a wasted space, but outside there's a mini fridge under here, which I'm not a big outdoor kitchen guy. I really don't like outdoor kitchens, but this is just a mini fridge, which would be nice if you're out there sitting under the awning to be able to go get you a drink or something, a cool drink out of a little mini fridge. And also give you a little extra storage if you have too much in your 8 cubic foot fridge in here. She's backed up. Now she's sitting in the recliner that I was sitting in, square on. The TV straight in front of you. You have a nice storage up here for stuff. Jensen DVD player and storage here for DVDs. There's a little storage here, little countertop. So you're looking square onto the TV. When I'm looking at RVs, I gotta set square to the TV. I can't be turning 90 degrees like this, like an owl. Sometimes I think the engineers are owls, that they can turn their head. I like to just be able to square onto the TV. That's a number one thing we look for in an RV. It's super nice, a lot of floor space. You get the chairs, you get the dinette, the TV square on. Pretty good little design here. Storage up here. Super nice, a lot of storage it seems for this camper. Pots and pans there. You got double drawers here. There's the doggy door, or dishes. Super nice. Over here, you've got kind of like a triangle type storage here again. And then if we come back in here, the bathroom, kind of a little small compared to what our 2150 RB is, but adequate. Enough space to do what you need to do. You come in here, the bedroom. This is just like ours. They do have 2 drawers here, where our camper has just one. Then hanging here, storage up there, and of course this will lift up. Reading lights. One thing this has that ours does not have, you have more hanging, a clothes rod here you can hang, and then 2 drawers here. So this is an addition to what ours does not have. Again, we have a 2150 RB Imagine, which is discontinued. They moved it into a Transcend design now, and it's a cheaper floor plan. But I'm comparing it to our 2150 RB, so this is different than what we have. This would be in the ballpark if I was shopping right now. I like this one. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.